Hello there, I'm Monkey, and I drink bourbon and know things. Welcome to Brainy Bits and Trivia Tips, where drinks flow and knowledge grows. We've got quite the adventure for your brain today, filled with mysterious mind twisters and tantalizing trivia. We're going to dive deep into the world of brain teasers, revealing a treasure trove of facts and riddles that will challenge even the sharpest of minds. So tighten your seatbelts and get ready to have your minds blown. Before we begin, and to make this fun, get ready to pause the video after each riddle because the answer immediately follows. Let's kick things off with a riddle that's as old as time, yet still manages to baffle many. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with the wind. What am I? Take a moment. Let it simmer. If you guessed echo, you are sharp. Ready for the next? This one's a little tricky, so don't rush it. You see a house with two doors. One door leads to certain death and the other to freedom. There are two guards, one in front of each door. One guard always tells the truth and the other always lies. You don't know which guard is which, nor which door leads to freedom. You can ask only one question to one of the guards. What question should you ask to find the door that leads to freedom? Ponder it. For those Labyrinth fans, you will know this one. To solve the puzzle, you must ask one guard. It doesn't matter which one. Which door the other guard would say leads out. Both guards will indicate the same door, which will be the door that doesn't lead out. All right, time for a brain teaser. This one's a classic. A man has a bee in his hand. What's in his eye? Think about it. Kind of a groaner, but beauty is in the eye of the bee holder. Here's one that'll really get your brain ticking. I have cities, but no houses. I have mountains, but no trees. I have water, but no fish. What am I? Give it a shot. The answer to the riddle is a map. On a map, you can see representations of forests, depicted as green areas, rivers, blue lines, and cities, marked with names and symbols. But these representations do not contain the actual physical elements themselves, such as real trees, water, or buildings. And next I submit a riddle that's sure to leave you scratching your head. I am taken from a mine and shut up in a wooden case from which I am never released, and yet I am used by almost every person. What am I? Stew on that. The answer even shocked the old monkey. A pencil. For our final riddle, let's delve into the realm of the abstract. I am not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. I don't have a mouth, but water kills me. What am I? This riddle is a bit more cryptic, but don't let it stump you. The answer is fire. Now that we've gone through these riddles, take a moment to reflect on your answers. Remember, the beauty of these brain teasers lies not just in their solutions, but also in the journey of thought they spark. And that's the end of our trivia round. How many did you know off the top of your head? Thank you for joining me in this adventure of knowledge. You've been great company. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep coming back for more. Remember, I'm Monkey, I drink bourbon and know things. Until next time,